Okay, this is a video of a 990 F3 that we have just rebuilt here at Ernie's Machinery. We put 3 new 1 3/4 horsepower quarter cable routers on it. We replaced all the air line, all the cylinders, valves. We built, we stripped the machine completely and repainted it, and took all the bearings off and redid the bearings, and everything is like brand new on this machine. This machine is capable of doing quarter radius or 5/8 radius hinge pockets. It can do from 3-inch hinge pockets to 5-inch. It can do like from anywhere. The depth of the hinge can be up to 1 9/16, 1 9/16, and down, of course, to 1 1/8, or actually if less if you want it. But from 3 inches to 5 inches wide, 1 1/8 deep to 1 9/16 deep. It with quarter or 5/8 radius. To change it from quarter to 5/8, you just flip one of the. You change out the pins on each router. There's a scale. There's a thing here that tells you which pins to use, and you flip that switch over to quarter, and it'll route for quarter. Of course, you have the bits and all. And now this is a kick out that kicks the jam off once it's completed. If you're doing 8-foot jams, which we have made, put a conversion on this machine that will allow it to do 8-foot jams, and there will be another little video segment showing it doing that. And you don't want it to kick the jam out when you're doing that, so you turn this off, the eject off. And we're going to leave it on because we're going to be doing 5/8 radius and all. But we have there are transitions on here for your vacuum, and you can hook your vacuum hoses to each router and send them to a vacuum, and they will help suck the chips off. But and there are chip outs on here to keep them from breaking out. I think that's pretty much got it. We're going to the serial number of this machine is 84J-2813, and it takes 120 volts, 30 says 30 amps, but I would say 33 amps because those routers are 11 amp routers. They're probably a little bigger than what they started with, but they're all new routers, and everything is new on here. Okay, we're going to run a couple of jams. We don't have a lot of jams, and I'm going to run. Now this machine will run molded jams. It will run exterior molded jams, no it will fit right in there and run. We don't have a new one, but we don't have to we'll run molded jams. What we have set to do, you can make those where it'll just kick that. You can make where it'll just kick that molded jam and stop right there by just slowing how these come out. Okay, I'm going to. This jam has been routed several times. I just want you to see how it kicks the jam out. And okay. We're routing 4-inch hinge pockets and 1.5 inches deep, and you'll notice the hinge fits in there very nicely. No chip out. We've got a chip outs in there, and you'll notice that the hinges fit very tight, and I can't get it to hold it straight where you can see. There we go. Maybe we can see that. Anyway, this is the machine is very easily recalibrated. If you'll send us what you want to do with the machine, we will have the machine preset and for you. Also, right now we're going to pause, and then we're going to set it up on a 1/4 radius and do a 1/4 radius jam for you. Show you that it'll do 1/4 radius. Okay, we have changed it over to 1/4 radius, and we're going to run this jam, one jam only at a 1/4 radius. We're, like I say, we're short of jams, and it's a wide, real wide jam. We're going to run it on the opposite side even. We just want you to see that it will do 1/4 radius. Make it do 1/4 radius. There's 9 pins that you change, and you change the bit, and flip the switch down there to 1/4 radius. All right, I'm gonna. You'll notice it made more passes to do 1/4 radius because your bit is only a 1/2 inch wide, and there's the and it cuts the pocket. We don't have a 1/4 radius hinge, and we're not going to square the corners, but this is a 5/8, and you can see that the pocket the corners are 1/4, all 3 places, and we just want to show that it will do 1/4 radius. All right, thank you very much.